Hello students, welcome back. Today onwards, we shall learn and understand how to go about the various writing skills taught in the school curriculum like diary entry, message writing, notice writing, letter writing, both formal and informal, story writing, article writing, speech writing, in which we shall also see how to go about writing a debate, report writing, email writing, and paragraph writing. We shall begin with the diary entry. Diary is taught in the school curriculum for classes 4th to 12th. Some of the questions that come to our mind about diary entry are: who can write a diary? Why does anyone write a diary at all? What is a diary entry? And last but the most important question, have you heard of the famous book written by a little girl, Anne Frank? Let us answer the questions to understand the nuance of diary entry. Who can write a diary? Well, a diary can be written by anyone. Why does anyone write a diary in the first place? Well, there are many reasons people write a diary. It might be some like to keep a day-to-day account of the things happened so that they can go through the account and recall the events without missing out any details. It might be that the day's events have triggered a strong emotion in the person, like happiness, anger, excitement, frustration, etc. Or it might be written to remind you of things that you would like to do in future. What is a diary entry? Diary entry is a day-to-day account of one's life. This can be read to recall the past events. You can see some examples of the diary pages in this slide. Have you heard of the famous book written by a little girl, Anne Frank? Many of you must be aware of it. I will give a brief introduction. Anne Frank was a Holocaust victim. These incidents took place in Germany and the German occupied territories, where the Nazi regime hunted down the non-Aryans and segregated them age and gender-wise in different concentration camps for mass killing. The then Minister of Holland had made an appeal to the public to keep a record of all the sufferings they were going through. That time, Anne Frank and her family, along with 3 other families, were in hiding in the basement of an industrial unit. She decided to keep a daily record of the activities that took place in the confinement. She hid this diary when they were found. She died due to fever while on her way to the concentration camp at the age of 15. The book, The Diary of a Young Girl, which is an adaptation of her diary, was later published by her father, Otto Frank. Let us proceed to the format. First, and then we will see 2 examples on the topic. Look at the format carefully. Day and date is written on the left hand side as shown, and time on the right hand side. You can interchange the day and date. You can write the date first and the day later, or the date first and the day later. Salutation is written on a new line, and the content, which is the body of the diary, is written very briefly. We are going to take 2 questions based on general topic for better understanding, so that you are made aware as to what is expected of you while writing the answer. The first sample diary, the question is: write a diary entry expressing your feelings on the lockdown in about 80 to 100 words. Let us look at the first example, the answer of which is given below. You can observe the date mentioned, below that the day is mentioned, the time is mentioned in the prescribed place. Then we start with the salutation, and the content is mentioned very briefly but clearly, and at the end you are signing the diary. Sample diary 2. You are Sham of KGN Public School, Nagpur. You are motivated by the Clean India campaign of the Prime Minister and participated in it in your own way in your colony. We are going to see the answer now. Look at the second example again. We have written the date and the day on the left hand side. The time is mentioned on the right hand side, and if you have observed, the time is usually after 9 p.m. in the night, as we write the diaries at the end of the day. We have mentioned the salutation, then the diary is written very briefly but clearly, and we ended the diary with the name at the end. Points to remember while writing a diary. The first point, mention the day, date and time. Second, write your reaction to what you saw and experienced. Third one, a diary is always written in first person. Fourth one, reference to friends, parents, personal memories can be made. Example, Mom did, Rita told me, my pet dog chased a mouse, etc. But the most important thing that is to be kept in mind is a lot of stress is to be given to feelings, emotions and reactions rather than on the event itself. I hope you are clear as to how to write a diary. A link on notes is given below along with the 2 diaries shown as examples. In the next video, we shall learn to write message writing. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.